How to change PHP version in Hostinger. So if your WordPress site or a plugin requires specific PHP version, here is how you can change it in Hostinger. Log in to your hpanel.hostinger.com and on the left go to websites, click on websites. Now open the dashboard of the website which you want to change or where you want to change the PHP. And once you are in your dashboard, go to Advanced and here select PHP configuration and you will be on this page. So here you can see the version. You can select the version you need and save. Hostinger applies the change immediately, no restart needed. Before switching to a newer PHP version, it's better to check if your plugins and theme are compatible with it. Most modern plugins supports PHP 8.0 and above, but older ones sometimes don't. So select the version which you want, then click on update, and that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.